Hello students. So now I am going to discuss question number 3 of exercise 8, which says कि as p varies from -1 to 1, the equation 4x cube minus 3x minus p equal to 0 has a unique root in the interval half to 1. We have to show it, and further we have to identify the root. So what I did, now the function is very obvious, fx equals 4x cube minus 3x minus p, and we have to show this equation, or you can say that this function is 0 only at once between half and 1. So if you get the derivative of this function, this will be 12x square minus 3 and 3 times 4x square minus 1. So it's quite obvious that the derivative is positive if x varies from half to 1. It will be 0 at half and at minus half also, but minus half is not there in the domain, in the given domain. So now we have proved that the function has increasing nature. Make this point very clear that this function has increasing nature. So now if at half, at x equal to half, if you replace x by half, function will be 4 into 1 by 8 minus 3 into half minus p. The same thing I have substituted here, and it simplifies to minus of 1 plus p. Let x equal to half, function is negative. Max it can be 0 when p equals minus 1. So that case I will take later. And at x equal to 1, the function is taking value 1 minus p. Again it is positive because p varies from minus 1 to 1. So in that interval 1 minus p will be positive. Jैसे at x equal to half, minus of 1 plus p will be negative. So obviously the function has increasing nature. At half it is taking negative value, and at 1 it is taking positive value. So there will be a unique root. I will take the case when p equals minus 1. In that case f of half will be 0, and if p equals 1, in that case f of 1 will be 0. But that uniqueness of root will still be there. Only at these 2 points the function will be 0. And also note that simultaneously they won't be 0, because half will be at x equal to half, f of half is 0 when p equals minus 1, and at 1 function is 0 when p equals 1. So that uniqueness is there because function is increasing nature. At half function is negative, at 1 function is positive, and function is strictly increasing. So there will be a unique root. I will take the case when f of half will be 0 and f of 1 will be 0. I am repeating, both will not be 0 at the same time. So now the students are asking why you have taken cos theta here. So it's simply because that the left hand side expression resembles a cos 3 theta formula, and if you replace x by cos theta, you will have cos 3 theta. Solving a cubic is not in your syllabus. It's there in BSc or BTech, but it's not area for concern. So if you take, we know that root is between half and 1. So definitely there will be a cos theta which will be equal to x1, because cos theta is capable of taking values from minus 1 to 1, and half to 1 is its subinterval. If you take x1 equals cos theta, you will have 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta equals p. And for that inverse purpose, you can also say that there will be a theta from 0 to pi by 3, because if you replace theta by 0, x1 will be 1, and if you replace theta by pi by 3, that x1 will be half. So you can take that cos 3 theta, that 3 theta is from 0 to pi, you can take inverse also. So that theta is 1 by 3 cos inverse p, and x1 will be, because it is cos theta, to replace theta by 1 by 3 cos inverse p. At last, what I have done, I have just shown you the case when p equals minus 1. Student can say, sir, for p equal to minus 1, f of half is 0. F of half is 0, as well as if you observe f dash is also 0. So the graph will be something like this. And at p equal to 1, f of 1 will be 0. So the graph will be like this. It will be like this. And if p is between minus 1 to 1, at half it will be negative, and at 1 it will be positive. In all the three cases there will be a unique root. In the first case you can say, if you take the open interval, here it will be like a repeated root, but the question says ki it is closed interval half to 1. They are just trying to say ki there will be a unique value for which f is 0. So yes, in that purpose you can say at half it is only 0. Now main thing is ki here only showing ki f of half into f of 1 less than 0 will be wrong, because if you take a cubic, at a half it is negative, at 1 it is positive. It can have 3 roots also. At half negative, 1 it is positive. So you have to also show ki f is increasing, because in that case it ensures us ki function is always increases from half to 1, and at half it is negative, at 1 it is positive. So there will be a unique root. These extra cases also, please go through it. Thank you.